Hello and welcome back. I'm super pumped to share this poached egg grilled cheese sandwich that I've been trying out for some time. I'm no expert at poaching egg, but I think I have a simple recipe that will be easy for you to also duplicate at home. So to start, I'm grabbing sliced Italian bread, and I love Italian bread because it's crusty at the end when you're doing grilled cheese. And I have a slice of Havarti cheese because it's nice, mild, and creamy. I also like mixing my cheeses, so here I'm adding some cheddar cheese just to have a nice blend, but you can do Gruyere, Havarti, or even Swiss cheese. So for my grilled cheese, I'm going to butter up the top of my bread. I'm going to get my poached egg going, so grab some ice in a bowl with some water and get your pot ready for your poached egg. I grabbed a strainer and a bowl. I'm going to crack my egg into it. This will allow the excess runny egg white to drip in, and this will avoid us from having all those parts in our poached egg when we're ready to do that. So for your poached egg, you want just a boil. You don't want to overboil your water, because then what will happen is your egg yolk will separate from your egg white. And I also have my grilled cheese going as well. So grab a spoon, and I have a slotted spoon. It has holes in it. That will help us at the end. So stir and create a vortex in your pot and drop the egg right in the center and just let it swirl around. You will know when your egg is ready when it starts to float to the top. Now, if you would like a runnier egg yolk, take it out when it starts to float to the top, or simply leave it in for a couple of minutes longer to get a harder yolk. Okay, so I'm going to pull my poached egg out of the boiling water and put it into the ice bath. And then I'm going to take it out of the ice bath and put it on a paper towel. That will allow me to drain any excess water out of the egg. So that's done. Now we have our grilled cheese already melted, and we're going to put our poached egg right up top of our grilled cheese. And what we're going to do next is grab some pepper, and we're going to add some pepper to the top. I usually skip the salt at this point because our butter has salt and our cheese has salt. So all you need is just your fresh ground pepper and just slice right into it. And there you have a poached egg grilled cheese sandwich. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also leave a comment if you've tried this out. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again for another video.